Hi, this is Martin and Chris from De-Evolved. We're currently out in Wakering and we're about to take a look at an old school which has still got some original World War II air raid shelters in it. They are here. Luckily we've been granted permission to get inside of these World War II shelters today. So without further ado, let's take a closer look. This is most likely the emergency escape, I imagine. It's been bricked over. It's a clear outline.
It's that like a concrete bit that used to stick out. You used that to climb up the top.
Yeah?
Yeah. Or climb up through the back to get on the top.
To collect footballs and stuff, no doubt, yeah?
Yeah.
And then like what have we got here? We've got like this pipe here for some sort of drainage.
Yeah.
Does that lift up? It probably does, but my fingers hurt, so we'll do that later. So yeah, we've as you can see, these are like mainly completely sealed, so no one can get in here, but luckily we've been given the key so that we can have a look inside. We've opened the first one up now. There we go, that's inside. Get my torch on. Now these shelters have been used for storage. Lots and lots of random bits and pieces in here. But this, guys, during the war, when the raids were happening and the sirens would sound, all the school children would gather in these shelters and take cover for their own protection. We've got these funny small vent holes at the top, probably 2.5 inches round in diameter. Breather holes, I think. There we go, guys. So inside, that's that far end we first looked at from the outside, and this is most likely an emergency escape, however hard it might be to get to now, but that has been bricked up, guys. There we go. So that's the first one. That's the inside of the first one from the far end. I've taken a few photographs. I'm going to take a few more and then we'll get out and show you the second one. Right, there we go, guys. So this is at the far end of that back wall, and I'm now going to make my way out back to Chris. But yeah, basically it's a rectangular brick room with a reinforced concrete ceiling. And I'm guessing probably had some chairs in it at some point. I doubt all the kids would stand up for the entire duration of, you know, the raids. Oh, big squeeze, big squeeze. Ugh. God, it's tight getting through there. Right. So there we go, guys. This is the first area. There's this little sectioned off bit here. Just more space, really. Yeah, that's true. Chris makes a good point, right? This wall here was most likely a blast wall. So any frags or anything that might have come off of anything that has exploded in close proximity of this area, should you want to take shelter in here, then
things fly through the door and into you.
That's right. So this would offer a little bit more protection. Memetic. Anyway, guys, so that's out of the first one. Yeah, this one very similar inside, guys, very similar. And also a lot of storage stuff in here. But the internal layout is pretty much the same. And now that I've seen it, the chances are I'll be able to draw this anyway. Yeah guys, we're inside. We've made it into the second one. So we've been into the first side of the air raid shelter. This is the second side of the air raid shelter. And then we've got another one to take a look at, hopefully, in a second. Guys, I don't know how far I can get at the back here. There's dust maps over a lot of stuff. Old holiday magazines and some kids' toys and stuff. Here we go guys, so a little bit further towards the back here. As Chris pointed out here, there's like an original looking old shelf. It's only got children's paint and stuff on it now. We have no idea what would originally have been on it. Probably some sort of lanterns or something maybe. Yeah, there's some more there. We'll get some pictures of these guys. Like, I'm not sure if the video does them justice. Look at this big ass silver plate. Yeah. Weighs a ton. That thing must be worth a fortune if that is silver. Or is it, or do you reckon it's brass that's been like silver coated? Weighs a ton. Oh, silver's usually got a mark on it, hasn't it?
Look, it's one you can put hot water in to keep your food warm.
Oh, that's quite cool, like a serving thing, like you have in the Chinese restaurants with the candles under it. It's well heavy.
It's got a hallmark on it.
It has, so that's silver. Wow.
Look how worn out it is on the...
Isn't it? Yeah. It's definitely seen a lot of table action. Those handles as well. What's it got written on it? At the bottom by your hand.
Gildridge.
Gildridge. Is that a manufacturer or?
This would be for carving meat on, wouldn't it? And all the juices run
Juice
down
would run into that, yeah. And by the looks of it, it's seen a lot of carving.
Yeah.
Crazy. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's worth having a look under any more of these tarps and that, see if there's anything original in here. Yeah, that's it. It seems to be mainly play school equipment and that, guys, in here. Yeah, I saw that on the way in. Like, we'll get some pictures of that as well. Oh, that bit as well. I saw the other bit, the hearth bit on the floor. We've got like some old books and stuff in here. What the hell is a Zono tape? Zono tape. What is that? It's like a proper movie reel.
Track. Man from Sound of Music. What's this?
That's probably just to stop the tape from unreeling. What's it got written on it? Can you read it?
That?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it says. Track 1.
Oh, okay.
Man from...
Sound of Music.
Yeah.
Interesting. Well, you never know what you're going to find, do you? Well, this one, Ding Dong, the Witch is Dead. Like, what is that? Is that a record, like vinyl? Yeah, it's a vinyl. Ding Dong, the Witch is Dead. Got loads of LPs. So yeah, anyway guys, this is just storage and stuff. Like, it's nothing to do with the actual shelters themselves. Yeah. Looks like my old pool table. Right, I wonder where that got to. God, blimey, this is a mission to get out of this bit. Every time I move a little bit further forward, I'm getting more and more wedged in with the other foot. Yeah, there we go. Right. Yeah, so there we go, guys. That's the corner in this one. It's a little fireplace that Chris was talking about here. It's decorative. Seems to be made of iron, I think. And there's the bit at the bottom where you let the air in and feed the fire, give it some oxygen, and also stop all the coal and stuff falling out. So yeah, guys, that's this one. So that's the second one at the front. There you go. Chris has just locked that up just there. That's the one we've just came out of on the left hand side. That was the one we did first of all on the right hand side. And now we're going to see what else we can find. This looks like the good one, doesn't it? Look at that roof, guys. Throw away in. Some sort of window on the back of it, but it might be boarded up like the rest of here. Look at the state of that as well. That roof. Open the door, man. Go. Oh yeah. It's heavy. Yeah, there we go. Nice one. Close it so the kids don't escape. Look at this. This is epic. Yes. No. Yeah. It doesn't go into that whole area?
No.
Is there no other door inside to sort of access it? Is it? I wonder how you access the other bit then.
Yeah.
Right, let's have a look. This is awkward, but as you can see, guys, this is probably one of the harder ones to get into. The amount of stuff in here is insane. A lot of storage stuff, but look at this roof. Look at that, guys. The corrugated arched roof. And then it's got all that concrete that you've just seen on the outside over the top as well. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. I'm not sure if that's a partitioned wall, whether it's original or whether that's been blocked up. just managed to climb into this area. There we go, look at that, guys. Well, I might as well get some photos in this area. It doesn't go any further, does it, clearly? Right, let's try and get back out of here without making too much of a mess. Very awkward, guys. These old, old cable drums. Oh, mate. How awkward is this going to be, one-handed? Oh. It's not the world's biggest stretch. Right, there we go. So yeah, just managed to make our way back out of this area here. I love this little bit though, this corner section. I mean, the first two shelters were cool, but I just like the look of this one better. The roof on it is great.
No.
It must be fairly thick as well on top of all that corrugated metal up there. Yeah, it's heavy duty. Amazing. It's only held in by tack nails. Oh, not even so at the top. Amazing, guys. Just behind us, guys, where we've just been in that far end, this is an original air raid shelter. Look at the size of that roof, that reinforced roof. Crazy. Well, we've managed to get into this end here. However, this end seems a little bit more challenging at the moment, but we're not going to give up. We're going to see if we can get in, and if we can, we'll film that as well. So this one's corrugated up, completely sealed. Unfortunately, we can't get in that way.
Check it out.
Press the circle to subscribe, and why not check out one of our other videos?